So this is part. Good morning everybody. So I am just adjusting the levers and hopefully going to get that working, and I'll show you shortly. Step one to giving us a little bit more travel of our tensioner. It doesn't matter how high I make this, so I'm going to drill a hole towards the top here, so that'll give us a bigger lever on this side, shorter lever on that side, and give us a little bit more travel. So let's do that. There's a nice little gadget on the Colin Furze channel that he's just done he's basically just done a tour of his workshop, and he showed everybody all of his cool tools and stuff. So if you can see, if you don't have a drill press, or if your drill press like mine is a bit rubbish, there's a little tool that's a guide for drilling, which is quite nice. So it's a little stand with a whole bunch of different size holes in it, and then you clamp it down onto your workpiece over there, and then you can drill 90 degrees into the thing. So wish I had one of those right now. Right, so that's what happens when you over tighten the thing. This is a much nicer bolt. Let's put that in. Nice. Blues. Here are the guts of the machine. So I'm going to create. I know what I've done wrong, is I might need to flip these cells so that I can get them in parallel and series. So we've got 7.2 on each one of the modules. So 2 together gives us 14.4, and 14.4 plus 14.4 in parallel. So I'm going to build some bus bars and get the inverter cables connected. So this is the cell that I'm going to flip around that way. So we'll create a series between each side. Then we've got red to black, those get connected, and then let's say red to black, those get connected. So that terminal there and that terminal there should read 14.4, 14.4. Then we join that side to that side, then we take one lead off there and one lead off there. So we've got 2 series over there and over there. This set is now going to pull off the lead from here, so that'll be parallel, and that's positive side and this is negative side. Looks pretty neat, same angles. It's always a good idea to use one of these and check our connections and see what's going on here. I don't want to short this thing out because that would be pretty dodgy, especially if I'm bolting it down into here. So once I put another bus bar in there, it just looks like I've connected them in a circle, which kind of looks like it'll short out. So before I do that, I'm going to check this thing. Voltage onto DC. Minus 7.2, that makes sense. 14.5. 0. Lovely. No, it does not fit. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a hole in there, put that bus bar in there. So now, nicely, how does that look? Looks alright. Won't look too shit. I mean, I must remember not to swear. My parents might be watching this. This is our negative side. That's our positive side. What do we have? 14.5. Nice, nice, nice. Normal. Great. It's just a lot of amps going through there. Nice. So I've checked all of the connections. Hey, that looks alright. Nothing's steaming and on fire yet. Okay, I'm gonna turn this thing on and maybe I'll just power a drill first. So here goes, test number 1 with the inverter and batteries. What I want to do here is put both the belts on just to give it a little bit more traction. It is going to be quite tricky because this thing is quite, there's not a lot of tolerance on it, and then we'll drive it under its own power for a change. We can perhaps even take it onto the street. This over here is one of my favorite screwdrivers. It is such a piece of junk. I got it for free in a car that I once bought, but I like it because I can abuse it so much. So anyway, let's bash on it. Attempt number 2. Overload. Whoops! This thing is so dumb. That was a pretty successful part 7 of my Cyberchopper build. Did about, I think, 5 minutes of riding. The thing didn't break in half. There are a few little tweaks that I'd like to do. It's dumb, but it's kind of fun. Excellent, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, etc. Radical. Let's get ratchet electrically.